So this is a pre-market prep for February 6th. It's Monday, 2023. So we gapped down overnight. I think at the peak we're like down 0.9%, but right now we're down about 0.7%. You can see that we kind of bounced off this fib level down here. And what I want to do is I want to draw my zones for the day, and then any kind of intraday support and resistance that might be helpful in scalping. So if we go to the 15-minute chart, right away we can see that we're back in this range that we were trading in last week in Wednesday. So let's go ahead and draw our zones. So I would draw a couple of zones right off the bat that I'm seeing are these high of day zones. So I'm going to go ahead, and with this zone we can actually encompass both of these highs. I'll draw that zone right there. And then we have a low of day zone right here, which I'll draw right there. And then we could do another low of day zone right here. Which essentially encompasses this as well, which is nice. And then we can do low of day zone right here. This is a big wick right there. And then high of day zone right here. So these were the zones that I want to keep on my chart. We're kind of covered on both the downside and the upside. And we have several fib levels in between. And so now what I want to do is I want to chart pre-market high and pre-market low. So there's still 2 hours until the market opens. So I'm not going to actually draw any levels. Personally, I don't think we break this original pre-market high right here, but let me go to the 5-minute chart. So I think that I'll mark this right now, but most likely it won't change, but we have to check again at 9:30. I think this will end up being the pre-market high because I really doubt that we end up reclosing the gap, but pre-market low I'll have to check. So yeah, those are my levels and my zones, and then I'll just scalp based on price action.